Namaste and welcome to my Project 4 presentation. I have been trying to explore how communication design can help the next generation in preserving our cultural heritage. Knowing the glorious past and traditional knowledge system of Mithila, I chose to work for making a communication design kit for learning Mithilakshar. Mithilakshar or Tiruta is an ancient Indic script used for writing the languages of Mithila region. This project was informed by previous semester projects. I tried making a prototype of Tiruta typeface suitable for optical character recognition in semester 2. However, it was recommended that since the script is not in mainstream use, OCR font might not be appropriate at this point in time. Rather, a generic font is needed instead. This led to take up project 3, where I tried to design a typeface for modern publication needs. I tried to match Tiruta to one of the popular Roman and Devanagari font. However, in doing so, I realized two things. One, that Tiruta script is not standardized, and second, there is no support for typing the font that I was designing. These two attempts in digitization of Tiruta script were only partially successful in terms of public utility. This inspired me to take up Project 4 and attempt to make a pool of resources for public consumption. More than 70 million Maithili speakers are there in Bihar, Jharkhand and Nepal. Very few resources to learn Mithilakshar exist. The prominent among them is Mithilakshar Abhyas Pustak. IGNOU offers a course, foundation course in Maithili, which is completely in Devanagari script. However, there is one chapter dedicated for introduction to traditional script used for Maithili, and the content of that is taken directly from Mithilakshar Abhyas Pustak. Market survey revealed that Tiruta resources are not available as compared to Roman and Devanagari, which was readily available. Tiruta is a complex Indic script with many unique features and lot of stylistic variations. You can clearly see how Bhu is written in two different ways, and there is a possibility that there is a third way of writing Bhu as well. There are a lot of inconsistent writing practices among people who are practicing or learning the script. Over here, one example is presented where A, Sa, this is the way they write, and when the learner is trying to write Supatya, this more resembles A, which makes it Apatya. Autoethnography used as a research tool for this project. I am associated with Mithilakshar Saksharta Abhiyan. It runs a 3-month Mithilakshar training program. I initially joined as a learner and later as volunteer to help others learn the script. This has allowed for observation of issues and concerns faced by learners. Another important function was collection of Mithilakshar manuscripts. I collected it from various organizations in Patna, Pune, Darbhanga and online archives. It was amazing to find Mithilakshar resources at American universities like UCLA and University of Pennsylvania. Exploration and experimentation was carried out in terms of tool, medium, technology and approach throughout this project. And I was able to identify some gap areas, namely, resources on Mithilakshar are limited and not easily accessible. Mithilakshar is not standardized as yet. There is no resource on how to write in Mithilakshar. No font exists till date which is fully resolved, and no keyboard support exists for Mithilakshar as yet. Based on these areas, I proposed a few outcomes to address these concerns, which forms the part of the communication design kit. First one is to create resources for Mithilakshar. I created these practice workbook, these slide decks, the YouTube channel, and websites. These resources were created for people to access and learn from. For standardization, I explored various tools and found that left-canted tool was most suitable for Tirhuta practice. Extended that to make way to write, and it was found that a 5-line grid can be used for writing Tirhuta and steps to write a particular letter. These were then utilized to make font. Presently, I have more than 5 different designs for Tirhuta font, which still needs to be resolved. Mithilaksha training was one of the major events during the course of this project. It was a week-long training program held at Darbhanga Museum. It was organized by Central Institute of Indian Languages, Mysore, and coordinated by Maithili Sahitya Sansthan, Patna and Darbhanga Museum. More than 100 participants, both male and female, were part of this workshop, and their age group ranged from 15 years to 86 years, and their profession ranged from school-going children to university professors, school teachers, housewives, and retired professionals. Basically, Maithili-speaking population are very much interested to know about their traditional script. This workshop was a unique co-creation opportunity for development of learning tools. I was able to test all these materials developed during this workshop. So these prototypes was tested during the workshop, and changes were incorporated accordingly. I was encouraged by the organizers to complete this practice workbook that could be published and used by the masses. In absence of typing support, the existing font cannot be used and new font cannot be created. So it was imperative to design the keyboard layout for Tirhuta that would facilitate in easy adoption. So here is the keyboard layout design that can be used by anyone for typing Tirhuta. This summarizes the communication design kit for learning Mithilaksha, which comprises of a practice workbook in form of Mithilaksha Lekhan Abhyas Pustak, slide deck for display devices in form of Mithilaksha Lekhan Vidhi, and website for the sponsoring organization Maithili Sahitya Sansthan, and keyboard application file for Mac, iOS, Android and Windows. That is the keyboard layout design for Tirhuta scale. The whole project is going to be compiled and put up at jaitirhuta.com. This brought varied learning experience to me. During the journey of the project, I learned many new things which I never expected or planned for. Things that worked for Latin or Roman and Devanagari and Bengali didn't work for Tirhuta. Working in the font sector has a steep learning curve. Projects last for years. Though I have been able to create some resources that would help a lot of people, still a lot needs to be done in order to bring Tirhuta to mainstream. I intend to continue with this project further. Thank you.